Raindrops. Today I'll be painting on a wooden decor sign. I would love for you to join me. No skills required. This is just for fun. Verse of the day comes from Galatians chapter 1, verse 10, easy. When I say these things, I am not trying to please people. No, it is God that I want to please. If I only wanted to make people happy, then I would not be a servant of Christ. Special reminder, let's be happy with the time we have. Always remember, God loves you, and so do I. Have a wonderful day.